Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and this is breaking news. Guys, just giving you guys an update on tropical storm ETA passing through, so stay tuned. All right, hello my good people, see me with the umbrella. Well, ETA takes a break. Car wheel? Okay, Melo. And we are taking a quick stroll, checking the wheels. Alright, people, tell me how the car wheel them look. Them look good? Probably said to check the wheels.
No, me check them.
Yeah, man, all good. So you know, just see me to check them.
The bill falling out.
You know where you said, man. That's how you go on. Alright guys, this is just down the road, so we'll show you some more of how the place looks. It's kind of calm now, but I know it's gonna come back. So see you there, people. See coconut them drop off at the tree. You could stay inside the house and hear when they drop off that tree, and that's where we used to park the car. Luckily it wasn't there this morning. Okay, so we're taking a ride, and look how funny it is. As we step out, it starts to rain again. Look down the street, guys. Oh my god, it's white. Look at that. Look at them trees. Oh. Whoa. Whoa. Look at them. Ooh, birds. What?
Together.
Whoa, pool. Window. Head up, window. Guys, ow! Why do you back, boy? Jeez. Guys, look at that. You can't even see the grass. Oh my goodness. But these birds are having fun. Look at them. They're having fun, man. Oh. So guys, you know we can't come out this car. We gotta stay inside here.
Good away,
alright. See, other people them. Why me don't know when rain fall, people they at the store all the time. Look there. Oh sir. Babe, clear up my window please, because look at them birds. Birds having fun. Look at them. Look at that. I don't know. It look like them a try race away or something.
I'm gonna take it off the foot.
Alright guys, look at the road. Look in that yard. Well, that's a lot of grass. Look. I can't even take my window back down because it started raining. Look at the water running off the street.
Is it stop raining?
No, it's still a rain.
Means I take back window down.
No, me say we can't take the window down because it's still raining.
You come out. You will reach around there, you cannot stop it every time we go inside there. So we can't see if anything. If any more they are leaking, we have to go to the whole roof.
Yeah. Look at that, guys. It's just green. The amount of rain we've been getting. Look at the road. Look at that. Can't put my hand out there because it's still raining, guys. Don't want to get my telly wet. Look at that. Man, look at that. That's like a new pond. Man. Oh, and the water right here. Running on the road, look at that. Okay guys, some little trees in the road. Look over there so far water. I need to trim them tree here. Look over there guys, that's water in the yard running out on the road. Alright, so we're almost at our destination.
Where that blow from?
People, look there, the garbage bin in the road. Not even a garbage bin, look like a food bin.
Blow
Like,
from one truck.
yeah, like out of somebody's yard or something.
I don't can. I need the second pump.
Possible. Look, pure water. Ah, jeez. Guys, look at this. This is pure water. That's the septic. And all right, so let's. You have a pocket and you leave your phone. Me have my hand and one umbrella. Oh yeah. People, me can't manage umbrella. Oh, the blew it. Hold on. Jesus, wait. Woo, guys. Me and the umbrella. Oh, all right, it's up. So, but hold on, man. All right, guys. So, we're here. So, look, it's just water and whoopsie daisy, more water. People, me have to have the umbrella itch up on my head because it's not really falling heavy, but it's windy. Woo! Woo! Okay, guys, so we're going on the road again, but we're gonna take a different route back home, along the route back home. Look at them trees. Woo. Yeah, guys, we can't even put our windows down for a second. Alright, so look at this. Water, 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 water. Yeah, the internet now going so good. I forgot go up to the house. Alright, it's not so bad, guys. We don't have like broken trees and stuff like that. It's just a little bit of brush. On this side, I don't know, the window seems so strong like on our side. Or maybe it's cooling down. Guys, so we're gonna check on the dock to see how the water looks at the sea. Oh my goodness, people, look at that water. Look how rough that is. Look at that. Well, guys, this is as far as I'm gonna go. I'm not even stepping out of this vehicle going down there. But that's how the water looks, man. So we're backing up. Burp, burp. This car is backing up. Burp, 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 burp. Guys, look at this pool of water in the road.
And then I put light on a charge your feet.
Look at that. Whoa. Oops.
Let me tell you some more water on the side. Next pool of water will be up for the
pond.
The runway this one.
Sorry.
We can't figure out who the man be.
No, either. But you what older they say, see? The water bubble up. Like one hole and the water bubble up. Look at that sky. See, round they come like a round and some more wind, man. Okay? How old is that? Oh, Victor. Oh my God, look at this. Water. People, the pond full and an overflow. Look like I drive my drive too.
I know that the telephone.
Look at this.
Wire
Even the
down.
telephone wire is down, guys. Like a
If
long
they never
time.
tie it up with the out in the
Right
road.
on the floor. People, you want to say pando? Yes, sir, man.
The next water
Right
we
here,
ever see.
more water.
How about the roadway this one? You know what I'm saying? We never see this full flow over in the road.
Well, it flew over today. People, this pond is in the road. Wow. Guys, even the street lights are on.
You know, nice. Yeah,
Look at that.
it's effective. That's the one further over there.
Clean them over this one. All I can tell you, birds are having fun. People, I haven't seen the road like this in ages. The last time I remember I see it looking like this was, I think it's Gustav or Paloma, one of those guys. I tell you, look at this road. Guys, I'm sorry I couldn't get you like better clips, but this is the best I can do. Coconuts in the road and all that, because we can't go outside. Still raining out there. Not raining heavy, but the wind, trust me, is heavy. We've been having heavy winds all day. All day, guys. I think this is the less wind that I have seen all morning. And the time is now 3:17 p.m. in the afternoon. And it looks like daybreak. Ooh, look at them trees. Birds flying. So guys, we are coming down the stretch of the runway for the airport. This is the road. The runway is over there. gonna do this 4. So the trees, look at them trees. And we're heading now down to the area of the airport where we're coming up on another pool of water. Got them coconut trees down there, man. Alright guys, so we're coming up to the airport where you can see that black and red flag. That black and red flag represents the tropical storm warning. Look at them coconut trees. There's the flag, guys. And over here, Paradise Villa's office. Look at that. Whoa, look at this. Carry down the window here, babe. Alright, look at that, guys. If you decide to walk to Hambrick Water, look at that. Look at that. Oh man. You're not wet. Oh, take my hand in.
I'll find out why I'm here.
Alright, we're gonna start. Okay, guys.
Yeah, go to Army. Eh?
Okay, guys. So people, you don't know how the thing sit. Rain a fall. Or have to tap up on a little extra something in the store, yeah? I'm not taking you guys in the store though.
But you can't walk out the back, get car.
No man, any water boat, the car them gonna full of water to water load deep.
What you call them?
Oh, they are cold.
Then they have no way to put up.
And under here, so look safer now. Guys, street light on. So it looked like we have more wind on this side of the island than the side we're coming from. Because even look down there, look at them trees down there. Look at that. So we are back home.